What's going on, guys? Getting ready to do a walk around on a 1976 International. All right, guys, doing a little walk around on this truck, checking everything out up under the hood. This is something new that we don't normally get. Just trying to figure out how to decode this motor. We should have it figured out here soon. I got my uncle on that. We're all family up here at Maple Motors, so definitely check us out, maplemotors.com. We buy cars every single day. We don't get too many of these, but I thought it was pretty cool, so we picked it up. Runs and drives good. Gonna be doing a test drive here tomorrow. In this video, we're gonna be walking around pointing out any kind of flaws that we can find so you know exactly what you're coming to get. You can get financed on our website at maplemotors.com. We also have shipping. We can ship this car across the nation. Last but not least, hit that subscribe button. Post videos every single day. Some of these cars do go fast, and I'm sorry for those guys that are calling a little bit too late. I've had a lot of people getting their feelings hurt here lately because they see something they like, and of course they go fast here. Got a little crack in the paint there, a scuff. And this one does have some chips and scratches all over it. Some of the stickers are kind of ripped up. Decent tread on the tires. Drum brakes, oh no, disc brakes in the front here. So you can put a soft top on it. Gonna check the bottoms of the doors for any kind of rust or issues. There's a little bubble popping up right there and there. Got some cracks in the paint right here. Little scratches and scuffs. The top does come off on this one, yes. I know that's gonna be a question. It's gonna be asked. Got the spare tire in the back. Little bumper in the back, looks pretty good. Has some pitting popping up on it. Does have a hitch in the back of the truck here. There's some rust down at the bottom of the driver's door here, if you can see that. You're gonna wanna know about that. There's a dent in the door right here, or in the front fender. All right, we made it around this truck. We'll shut the hood before the end of the video. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Door handle is showing signs of wear on it as well. Same with this one. Check the bottoms of the doors real quick. That's where that rust is, right as you open the door. Seats are not in bad shape. They're not all ripped up. Got a roll bar for your protection. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Get in and start it up. You got to pop the hood by pulling this little hinge here. It opens up, obviously backwards. Start up, run pretty quiet. AC is not working, but the blower motor does kick on. It feels cool at the moment, but it's not. Our temperature's just low. Aftermarket gauge on the dash. We do have aftermarket radio, and we keep the faceplates out of the trucks and cars. Oh, we have no issues there. You got speakers up under the dash on both sides. Windshield wipers on this one are like they need some new blades on them, so I'm not going to mess with them. Alternator gauge is moving around. Gas gauge does not look like it's working. It's all the way down. Showing you the miles on it, showing 22,000. Let's try this horn. Y'all ready? No horn on the International. Who would have thought? All right. The floor is like a rhino liner type flooring. Door shuts nice and easy. All right, getting ready to give y'all some undercarriage shots of this vehicle. We're gonna start up here in the front. Let me go ahead and shut the hood down for us. Sorry about that. Like I said, I'm not used to the Internationals. We don't get too many of them up here. Check out the underneath. All right, guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, get ready for a test drive video. I'm going to do that tomorrow. Go ahead and check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day, and it helps us out a lot when y'all share the videos. Again, like I said, I'm sorry for the people that are getting all upset because some of the cars are just selling so fast. It's not an issue for us. It's just you got to jump on them. We post everything Monday, and then the videos start coming out after. Some people back out. Some people do keep their purchase. So sorry about that. We're just going to keep pushing these videos out, and this one is available. So if you want to call, it is available. Normally, if it's not, I will put a hold symbol on the windshield, and we'll keep it rolling here. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.